This is Ovidio Aldana reporting live from this thermonuclear detonation explosion today. Boom! And I have no fucking idea what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna shove this in here and hopefully my heater will work. No, but according to something that I just read on the internet like 10 seconds ago, I am now a professional HVAC person. So it said turn device off so I don't get electrocuted. Bring this camera a little closer. Now we get our booties up here. Oh, I'm gonna need a different tool from my toolbox, which is shit. Okay, it looks like we're going to need, what tool is that? Maybe this one? Ooh, that might be a little too big. Will that fit? I know it'll fit in my ass. No. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna have to get this out because my landlord won't answer his fucking phone. And now, if I break this really expensive device, it's gonna be on his ass. Let's see. Oh, that is the perfect size, I think. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Betty likes to drink vodka. That's goosey. Okay, so I'm done. Now that is too big. I don't have the proper tools. Come on. I can't do this. The fuck? Oh, what if I stuck this in here? That's not gonna work. Oh. No. Wait, what is this? This goes on here, right? And then that goes there. Okay. So then that would probably be about this size right here. Oh, that'll work. There's still not enough space in here. Oh, that's tightening it. God damn it, why does this have to be so difficult? Why does it have to be so fucking cold? This is a long winter. And all of you fucking idiots out there that say, oh, global warming doesn't exist. It's so cold. Well, obviously you don't know the difference between climate and weather. You know? Oh, okay, here we go. That's all I needed was to get that a little loose. Okay. Break this shit. I don't know why they don't just put a new fucking one in here. Because the last time this shit went out, I don't even have proper sandpaper. So what you want to do is take this, pull it out, and then shove it in your ass. And then you want to stick it back in here. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know, I'm just going to try using this because it looks a little burnt up or something, so maybe cleaning it off a little. I don't have sandpaper. So, we'll see if this works. Keep recording. Ooh, what way was that in there? It should go back in anyway, right? Will that work? Will that work? Okay. HVAC certified technician over here. Is it HVAC or what's it called? Hi there. Oh my fucking God. Reverse that. This is making me gassy. It's a good thing I have the fucking gas off. Fucking blow this fucking place up, man! I haven't even eaten today yet. Oh my God. Okay. That's pretty tight in there. I don't want to get it too tight because I'll break this shit. But here, let me show you pretty much what I just did in here. That's where it goes, right there. And I pushed this up here against this. There's a little safety switch here, so I can turn it on and kind of see what's going on here. See if it starts to kick on for you guys. Hopefully this works because my landlord, I called him, left a message, and he called me back while I was washing my balls in the shower. And then I called him back after, and then he didn't answer because he's probably washing his ass. So let's see. Please work. If this does work, I'm gonna, what's the word, attribute it to shoving it in my ass crack. Ah, yeah! Well, let's just see if the fans kick on, though. And the fans are kicking on. Ah, you motherfuckers! Ugh. Okay, Brent. You're gonna have to get over here because my ass crack can only do so much. But maybe if it cycles a few more times, it'll start kicking in. But I honestly gave it my best try. I did. I got that far. You know, the fire flames weren't kicking in. Let's see if it does it again. Come on, kick in. Kick in. Do it. Nah, fuck it. I'll just let it keep on cycling. Hopefully by the time I come home, my fire's on. So, anywho. Toodles!